What's up, guys? It's yet another week, and we hope it is a beautiful one. I know you've all been craving an update on the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Well, here it is. Let's hope this video will cut it. We have lots of information to share today, not only in regards to the lawsuit, but also the XRP market trend. In this video, we will also potentially discuss the expectations we have with XRP's price in 2022. So why don't you bring a healthy snack for this long ride? Legal issues are never easy to predict, but a final verdict in Ripple's favor would help the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Even if the adversary is a division of the U.S. government, Ripple and XRP will benefit from high-quality legal assistance and community support along the road. There is far too much on the line for cryptocurrency to be left alone. By the way, guys, don't forget to join in the giveaway. We are giving away $2,000 worth of XRP directly to your wallet as a thank you for helping us grow. You can check it out in the comment section below. That's where all the details are. The winner is going to be announced February 1st right here on MoneySide. So let's get started, shall we? As always, welcome back to MoneySide, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, welcome to the XRP Army. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates. Ripple is one of the most intriguing cryptos in the virtual environment. Despite its market dominance over competitors, Ripple does not stand as a decentralized medium, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana. Instead, it is intimately linked to central authorities around the world, such as banks and financial institutions. Despite the fact that the cryptocurrency community and investors believe in token freedom, they still have a soft spot for XRP, which keeps the digital token surviving even in the face of adversity. Many cryptocurrency fans feel that Ripple's uniqueness is the primary driver driving its price to new highs. And honestly, I couldn't agree more. XRP, on the other hand, hasn't had an easy time in the digital world thus far. In 2020, the SEC initiated a lawsuit against the company for its digital token, which had an impact on Ripple's price in 2021. Fortunately, XRP struck new highs in April and August of 2021, providing investors hope for a return. Experts believe that if the XRP versus SEC lawsuit is decided in Ripple's favor in 2022, it will set a new formula for the cryptocurrency market. The SEC's lawsuit conclusion will either crush XRP's real-world worth with stringent regulations or allow it to flow via American cryptocurrency trading platforms. Whatever shades of gray in between these extremes will be a win for Ripple in all practical matters. Don't forget that this lawsuit will almost certainly set the tone for how other cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks are regulated. The SEC has a different perspective on XRP's market position. According to the lawsuit, the token should be subject to the same rules and regulations as traditional assets, such as stocks, bonds, and option contracts. Ripple's lawyers and executives are attempting to persuade the court that while those principles may apply to a value store, such as Bitcoin, they do not apply to XRP. This token may be a better match for traditional currencies like the euro, the dollar, or yen. As the functional heart of a worldwide payment network, XRP should be handled similarly to Ethereum, the decentralized programming network that the SEC is eager to lump in with your beloved fiat currencies. According to predictions, XRP and the SEC would potentially be the icebreaker in 2022. That would eventually drive the value of cryptocurrencies to their new highs throughout the year. Legal issues are never simple to predict, but a final verdict in Ripple's favor would help the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Even if the adversary is a division of the U.S. government, Ripple and XRP will benefit from high-quality legal assistance and community support along the way. There is far too much on the line for cryptocurrency to be left alone. That's why a full-fledged SEC championship would surprise me. In my opinion, it's a plausible outcome, but not a likely one. Now, if I'm correct, XRP should easily pass the $10 level. The legal action began more than a year ago. and the case is still dragging on as the two parties gather evidence to support their allegations or defenses. It could be years before we get a final decision in this case, and the wait will be even longer if the parties use all of their rights to appeal. The SEC drama is expected to end this year in 2022. That, according to Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse's worst-case scenario. U.S. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn, according to Garlinghouse, is asking smart questions, demonstrating that she understands the complexities of the cryptocurrency industry and that not all digital assets should be treated equally. In other words, Ripple's CEO anticipates a favorable outcome in the near future. In late December, Jeremy Hogan, a cryptocurrency lawyer, tweeted that the SEC versus Ripple issue should be resolved by April. There was no reason, according to Hogan, why the matter should be stretched out throughout the summer. And despite the fact that the legal system is slow, Hogan has faith in it. My point is that even if Americans aren't allowed to use it, XRP has utility value. And even more so in a world where local banks may use RippleNet to facilitate frictionless international payments. When you combine that turbocharged value engine with a widely anticipated market-wide comeback in 2022, you have a recipe for extraordinary XRP returns. That's why I believe XRP will outperform Bitcoin, Ethereum, and pretty much any other cryptocurrency this year. It's fantastic news that clarity is on the way. The SEC case is expected to be resolved soon and in Ripple's favor. If and when this happens, the value of XRP's token should skyrocket. Last year, popular cryptocurrency exchanges such as Kraken, Binance, and Coinbase Global shut off XRP trades to avoid legal ramifications. Investors will release more than a year's worth of frustration and pent-up demand when these exchanges resume their XRP trades. That's on top of the broader cryptocurrency market recovery, which is expected to pick up steam in 2022. Now that is out of the way. We've got a lot to keep an eye on. Right now, though, let's take an eye at the charts. Here's the final shakeout before XRP accumulates and heads to an all-time high. The bullish wedge, the RSI divergence, you see it on the weekly chart, oversold on higher time frames. The SEC case still in the works, also the Federal Reserve meeting coming up on the 26th of January. Take calculated risks with buying in the dips and enjoy the journey, guys. Now we take a look at Bitcoin. Now remember, Bitcoin can go to $30,000, $20,000, or even $10,000. To us, it makes no difference at all. It's all about patience and time. Bitcoin will stay at its low maybe for a few hours, maybe for a few days, maximum for a week or so. After the low is in, what follows is a long-term period sustained growth. See March 2020. After the correction is over, many new opportunities will show up. Be patient and prepare yourself. The market moves in waves, up and down, up and down. We are going down now. Next comes up. Always do your own research. Trade safely, guys. Namaste. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You can tell us what you think in the comments section below. Let's have a conversation. Thank you very much for watching. We couldn't be here without you. Don't forget to like this video, and please click on that subscribe button below and turn on notifications. That way you get updates whenever we drop new content. Thanks again, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next Money Side.